Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll try to solve Leetcode problem 1313. So in this problem, what we have to do is we have to decompress run length encoded list. So we are given a list nums of integer representing a list compressed with run length encoding. So basically they've given us the thing here. So you have given an input here nums, which is 1 2 3 4 array of integers, and the output should be basically you have to take this digit and this digit, the second and fourth digit, and you have to print it uh, this much times. Like you have to print 2 1 times and you have to print 4 3 times. So see, you have to print 2 1 time and 4 3 times, right? So you have to print there's always going to be array of length 4, and the second, like this element second and fourth. So basically in array 0 1 2 3. So in array basically the first and third element you have to print every time. And how many times you have to print? For first element you have to print it like this much times. So 2 you have to print 1 time, 4 you have to print 3 times, right? See, they have explained you here. Same goes with this one. So here you have to print 1 time and you have to print 3 2 times. So 3 1 and 3 2 times, right? So we'll just try to solve this question. So basically, if you can already get the idea, what do we have? We somehow want to, we just want to print this number 2 and 4, right? You just want to print 2 1 time and 4 3 times. So how can you do that? So what, first things first, what is the output? Output is the array. So let's create an array. So I'll just create a variable store and it will be an empty array. I initialize it. Now what I'll do, now I'll just create a for loop because I want to go through all of it. So I'll say for variable I equals 0, I should be less than nums dot length. And now I won't do I plus plus, right? What? Because I want to just go through basically this thing. The value which I want is this one and I want this one, right? So what I'll do is I'll say I equals to I plus 2. So by doing this, what I'll get is, so by doing I equals I plus 2, what I'll get is first time when my I will be 0, I will have this element, right? This number. When my I it's gonna increase the loop, it will increase by I equals to 0 plus 2. So 0 1 and 2, I will go to this element. So both the time, first time I'll get access to how many times I want to print 2. Next time I will get access to this element 3. So I know how many times I want to print 4. So you will know again. So inside this, what I'll do, I'll loop again a for loop. So I'll say it's a nested for loop. So I'll say for variable I equals, so basically we cannot say same variable. So I'll say for variable j equals 0, j should be less than, now what, how much times do you want to run this for loop? So I want to run this for loop, I want to run this nums of I. So when nums of I equals 0, what is that? I at 0 is this one. So how many times I want to run this for loop? I want to run this 1 time, right? And I want to increase its value. And what do I want to do? 1 time I want to store, right? So I have store. So I'll say store dot push. Yeah, then I'll say, okay, store, what you want to do, you want to do store dot push whatever value you have here, num set I, right? You don't take that, whatever you do, you take num set I plus 1. Do you get it? So num set I plus 1. So num set I is 1. This one, I want to add this plus 1 value, I want to print, like I want to push. And how many times? That's the num set I, which is 1. Second time num set I would be 3. So it will put 3 here, right? Num set I j should be less than 3. And what you gonna push till like 3 times? I plus 1, which is what is after the index of this one. which is 4. So we're gonna push 4 3 times, right? It makes sense, right? And now what you want to, after both the for loop, you just want to return the out store. Why do I keep saying output? Store. So that's it. And if we run, then it should work. Really easy solution. Um, I have done something wrong. Let's see what have I done wrong. So store dot push. I want to push num set I plus 1. That's fine. I'm returning store here for I equals 0. I should be less than num dot length. I equals I plus 2. And then here I have done a mistake. It should be j plus plus. And if I submit it, it should work. Yeah, this is working. So that's all. If you like my YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment, and yeah, keep coming to my channel. It gives me motivation. And if you need any more videos like this or anything, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.